Hello students, welcome back to the second session of our 5th standard English grammar chapter number 7 with the title Degrees of Comparison. Myself Patel Pritesh and I welcome all of you to the digital platform of Nalanda Vidyalaya. Yes students, let's continue the second chapter. In the first session we have completed all we can say in the detail what are the 3 degrees of comparison. Did you remember that? Yes, these 3 are first one positive degree, second one comparative degree and third one superlative degree. We have seen also the rules that how to form positive degree into the then superlative degree, okay, from comparative degree to superlative degree. So all these degrees are, we can say, comparison on adjectives, or we can say of adjectives, okay, in the sentence. So yes, let's revise all this information, or we can say the terms, okay, by a video. Yes, in the second session let's revise all these things, okay, through a video. So please listen that video carefully. Yes, let's start the video.
Now let's look into the degrees of comparison that adjective has. Adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. So why do we need degree of comparison? It is used when we need to compare things. Positive degree of adjective is used to describe, it is not used to compare anything. Comparative degree is used to compare 2 things, and superlative degree is used to compare more than 2 things. Let me give you an example to make this degrees of adjective clear. Ram is a tall boy. Here, tall is an adjective and we are just describing Ram. We are not comparing Ram with any another person. So, it's a positive degree. Now, let's look into another example. Shyam is taller than Ram. Here, taller is an adjective and we are comparing 2 persons' height. That is Ram's height with Shyam's height. So it is a comparative degree. Divyesh is tallest among all. Here, tallest is an adjective and we are comparing 3 persons' height. So it is a superlative degree. Now let's go back to the chart. So tall is a positive degree, taller is a comparative degree, and tallest is a superlative degree. Remember, positive degree is not for comparing anything, it just gives the information or description about noun. Comparative degree is used to compare 2 things, and superlative degree is used to compare more than 2 things. Now, positive degrees can be converted to comparative degrees and superlative degrees. Let's look into the examples of them by adding ER for comparative and EST for superlative at the end of positive degree. Example: bright, brighter, brightest; cold, colder, coldest; strong, stronger, strongest. Note the characters ER and EST at the end of comparative and superlative degrees. Let's look into another way of changing degrees by adding R and ST at the end. Example: fine, finer, finest; wise, wiser, wisest; and white, whiter, whitest. Note the characters R and ST at the end of comparative and superlative degrees. There are some adjectives that cannot be converted like this way. These are called irregular adjectives. Examples of them are good, better, best; bad, worse, worst; and little, less, least. Note these words, they don't follow any pattern that we discussed. Please remember this degree and these conversion techniques. That's all in this video. Let's quickly go through what we have learned in this lesson.
Tall, tall, taller, tallest. Big, bigger, biggest. Short, shorter, shortest. Hard, harder, hardest. Easy, easier, easiest. Young, younger, youngest. Slow, slower, slowest. Fast, faster, fastest. New, newer, newest. Deep, deeper, deepest. Thick, thicker, thickest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Weak, weaker, weakest. Early, earlier, earliest. Simple, simpler, simplest. High, higher, highest. Bad, worse, worst. Good, better, best. Rich, richer, richest. Clean, cleaner, cleanest. Cold, colder, coldest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Dark, darker, darkest. Happy, happier, happiest.
So students, I think you have go through with that both the video and you have understood all these degrees of comparison in detail and with the examples in the second videos. Okay. Now students, let's start the unit explanation, chapter number 7, degrees of comparison. Students, here 3 sentences are given. The pond is deep. Yes, the first sentence is the pond is deep. The river is deeper than the pond. And third one, the sea is the deepest of them all. So in the first one, as we all discussed earlier, okay, it is a simple description of the pond, so it is a positive degree. Okay, no comparison is made over here. यहाँ पे कोई भी कंपैरिजन नहीं हुआ है. इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस, द रिवर इज डीपर देन द पॉन्ड, तो यहाँ पे कंपैरिजन हुआ है. यस, देयर इज अ कंपैरिजन बिटवीन रिवर एंड पॉन्ड. सो विच इज मोर डीपर? यस, रिवर इज डीपर देन द पॉन्ड. सो हियर इट इज कॉल्ड कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. And remember that rule, we have to put adjective and then word THAN after the adjective. Okay. Third one is the sea is deepest of them all. The sea is the deepest of them all. So here the comparison made between the pond, river and we can say more than that. So the sea is the deepest of them all. तो जो deepest मतलब कि सबसे गहरा है. कौन? तो सी. किससे? तो रिवर और पॉन्ड से भी गहरा है. सो हियर डीप, डीपर एंड डीपेस्ट. सो द थर्ड सेंटेंस इज द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. सो यस स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स अंडरस्टूड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. यस, द वर्ड्स इन बोल्ड आर एडजेक्टिव्स. They are used to show how deep the pond, river and sea are. When adjectives are used to compare people or object, we use the degrees of comparison. Now dear students, there are 3 degrees of comparison. Yes, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Let's see all these by one example of each. Nina had a big umbrella. So here no comparison is made. Only we are talking about the big umbrella of Nina. Okay, so Nina had a big umbrella. Then second one is Rekha's umbrella was bigger than Nina's. So here there is a comparison made between Rekha's umbrella and Nina's umbrella. So Rekha's umbrella was bigger, okay, than Nina's. So this is called our comparative degree. Comparison between two objects or two person or two things. Third one is Gita's umbrella was the biggest of the three. Yes, Gita's umbrella was the biggest of the three. So here we can say the comparison is made between more than, we can say, one person or we can say two person. Then here comparison between three persons, three girls, Gita, Rekha and Nina. And out of, or we can say all of them, Gita's umbrella was the biggest one. So here this sentence is, we can say, in the superlative degree. So we have to keep in mind that yes, for superlative degree we have to put the word the, okay, before the adjective, and for comparative degree we have to put the adjective and then than, okay, word, then word. This is compulsory. So yes, I think you have gone through this positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree again and again and again with different examples. Yes, here are some ways in which we form the comparative adjectives, okay, and superlative also. So by adding er and est, as we already discussed in the first session, loud become louder, then loudest. Second rule, by adding r and st, means brave become braver and bravest. Then next one is by removing the y and adding ier and iest. If you remember, yes, if the letter before y is consonant, then we have to remove the y, okay. So tricky become trickier, trickiest. If, okay, there is a consonant, okay, before the y, then we have to remove it. And suppose there is vowel sound before the y, then we have to just put the y and then after it er and est, okay. There is a rule also. Then next one is by doubling the final consonants and adding er and est. Yes, if the last, we can say, the letter of the adjective is consonant, then we have to double it. And if the yes, the sentence means adjectives are of one syllable, then we have to make these changes. So dim become dimmer and dimmest, okay. Then fifth one is by using more and most for the adjectives who are having more than two syllables, okay. Grateful, okay, then we have to use more and most for comparative and superlative respectively. So grateful become more grateful, then most grateful in the superlative degree, okay. There are more examples of each. Number 6 are irregular comparisons, means these adjectives will not follow all the patterns that we have discussed before also, okay, or any rule, okay. So they have, means we have to form or we have to remember these, okay, as they form their comparative degree and superlative degree. So little will become less, then it will become least. Good will become better, then better will become best, okay. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree, okay. Remember all these degrees and these rules. Already we have discussed these rules in detail in the previous session. Yes, more information on it. Yes, when we compare two things that are the same, we use as plus adjective plus as. Yes, I will repeat. When we compare two things that are the same, we use as plus adjectives plus as. लेकिन मीन्स जब हम दो जो थिंग्स हम या ऑब्जेक्ट या जो हम कह सकते हैं कि पर्सन को कंपेयर करते हैं तब, और जो दोनों सेम हो, ओके, दोनों आर दी सेम, जब दोनों सेम हो उसकी क्वालिटी में हम कह सकते हैं, तब हम एस, फिर एडजेक्टिव और फिर एस ऐसे हम सेंटेंस पैटर्न से उसको हम लिखते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स आर दिस बुक इज एज गुड एज दैट वन. यस, दिस बुक इज एज गुड एज दैट वन. मतलब कि ये जो बुक है वो उतनी ही अच्छी है जितनी कि वो वाली बुक है, दैट बुक. ओके. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल इज माया इज एज स्मार्ट एज रवि. मतलब माया और रवि के दोनों के बीच में कंपैरिजन हो रहा है और दोनों इक्वली स्मार्ट है. यस, बोथ आर दी सेम. सो इन द क्वालिटी बोथ आर दी सेम. सो माया इज एज स्मार्ट एज रवि. Understood? So this is the first way that we have to compare two things. Yes, another way. Okay. Yes, sometimes instead of the comparative degree we use not when comparing two things that are different. हाँ, जब दो हम थिंग्स को या पर्सन को या ऑब्जेक्ट को कंपेयर करते हैं लेकिन जब वो दोनों सेम ना हो, डिफरेंट हो, तो हम एस के आगे नॉट वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं और बाकी जो था पहले में वही का वही रहता है. इन सच केसेस वी यूज नॉट एस प्लस एडजेक्टिव प्लस एस. नॉट एस प्लस एडजेक्टिव प्लस एस. जो पहले वाले में हमने कहा किया था कि जो एस प्लस एडजेक्टिव प्लस एस, ओके, फॉर दी comparing for the two things which are same in the we can say quality. And here in the two comparison of two things or objects but both are different in quality, so that we have to put not then as plus adjective plus s. Examples are, yes, the wolf is not as ferocious as the lion. So yes, I will repeat, the wolf is not as ferocious as the lion. मतलब जो वुल्फ है वो लायन के साथ जब हम कंपेयर करते हैं तो वो उतना लायन जितना फिरोसियस नहीं है. ओके, सो दैट इज आवर ओके कंपेरेटिव डिग्री, ओके, विच आर हैविंग द मीन्स इन विच वी हैव टू कंपेयर द टू थिंग्स और ऑब्जेक्ट्स बट both are not same with different one. So we have to use not word then plus s then adjective plus s and the other words. Second sentence is the house is not as big as the school. Yes, second sentence is the house is not as big as the school. मतलब हाउस और स्कूल के बीच में कंपैरिजन हो रहा है लेकिन दोनों सेम नहीं है. यस, दोनों सेम नहीं है. तो यस, हाउस जो है वो स्कूल जितना बड़ा नहीं है. हाँ, इसका मीनिंग ये निकलता है द हाउस इज़ नॉट एज बिग एज दी स्कूल. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो स्कूल है वो हाउस से बड़ा है इनडायरेक्टली. यस, द मीनिंग दैट कम फ्रॉम दिस वन इज़ दैट द स्कूल इज़ बिगर देन दी हाउस. जो हम कह सकते हैं ना कि दूसरा जो हम दूसरे वे से जो लिखते थे हमारे कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में, द स्कूल इज़ बिगर देन दी हाउस. ओके, वो सेंटेंस बनता है. दिस इज़ द अनदर वे. Yes, so students, these are the, we can say, few rules and regulations how to we can say form the superlative and comparative degrees, and what are the three degrees of comparison. Okay, they are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So students, let's start the explanation of textual exercise. Yes, you have to write all these answers in the textbook itself. Okay, so don't have any kind of confusion or don't make any kind of confusion, okay, in by writing these answers in the different grammar notebook. Yes, you can make a notebook. Yes, you can make a notebook if you want to make an extra grammar book. जो हमारे वीडियोस में जो एक्स्ट्रा टेबल्स, एक्स्ट्रा रूल्स जो सिखाए जाते हैं, अगर वो आपको कॉपी डाउन करने हैं तो ही आपको एक्स्ट्रा नोटबुक, मतलब मैं कह सकता हूँ कि एक्स्ट्रा नहीं, अलग से आप इंग्लिश ग्रामर की नोटबुक बना सकते हैं. बट इट इज़ नॉट कंपलसरी एट ऑल. अगर आपको लगता है कि रूल्स और टेबल्स जो हम एक्स्ट्रा जो समझाते हैं वो लिखने के लिए ही वो बुक बनानी है, अदरवाइज ऑल द एक्सरसाइजेज दैट यू हैव टू write down in the textbook itself. So yes, let's start the exercise with A, and we have to complete the following table in which the 3 degrees of comparison are given: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. in which the blanks are given. In those blanks we have to fill their suitable comparative, positive and superlative degree form of adjectives. First one is done for us. Wise become wiser and wisest. Then famous, yes, having more than 2 syllables, so we have to put more and most word for the comparative and superlative. So famous will become more famous and then most famous. Third one is, means in the question is in the superlative degree biggest, so obviously the positive degree will be big, the comparative degree will be bigger, and superlative is given biggest. Understood? Fourth one is blank, then comparative degree is given paler and the superlative degree is also a blank. So positive degree will be, if the comparative is paler, then yes, positive will be pale, paler, and yes, palest. Okay, palest. Then in positive degree the question is intelligent, so it is more than 2 syllables. This adjective is more than, having more than 2 syllables, so we have to put more and most prefixes, okay, before the adjective. So more intelligent and most intelligent for the comparative and superlative degree. This is our exercise A. In exercise B, yes, tick the correct option and complete these sentences. So we have to tick the correct adjectives, okay, according to the sentence. According to sentence, we have to choose the correct adjective, okay, out of these two. So here I can say highlighted the right answers. The first one is done for us. The lamp is brighter than the candle. Now students, here I will tell you, we can say a kind of rule, or we can say we will remember the rule. Whenever after the adjective, if than word is used, than, then 110 time, or we can say all the time, the comparative degree form of the adjective will come. So in brighter and brightest, which is the comparative degree form? Yes, brighter. Why? Because here than, than is written. And suppose, and if the word the, yes, example of 3.1, the word is used before the adjective, then only and only superlative degree form will come of that adjective. So between happier and happiest, yes, between happier and happiest, if the word is used before the adjective, then it would be the superlative degree form and it is happiest. Understood? Here the fourth one is also having the. So this is a kind of, we can say, a short trick, or we can say very quick way to choose the correct adjective. Yes, Kushi's hair is blank than Lina's. So yes, longer than Lina's. Here comparison between two girls' hairs. Mehul fills the blank when he is dancing. The. Okay, so Mehul feels the happiest when he is dancing. Then fourth one, this is the. Yes, this is the most interesting book I have read. Yes, the means most, means superlative form. Most interesting book I have read. Fifth one, his cold become worse this morning. Yes, his cold become worse this morning. So here it is a, we can say, comparative form of this adjective was, and the superlative is worst. Okay, so become, okay, cold become worse. Okay, if we have to use that worse, or we can say superlative degree, we have to put the word. Okay, sixth one, my room is warm but yours is, yes, warmer. My room is warm but yours is warmer, not warmest, warmer, because here the comparison between two rooms. Okay, my rooms and your rooms. So what will come? Yes, the not superlative but comparative degree will come, warmer. Then seventh one, yes, I met my favorite author today. I feel like it's my best day ever. Okay, yes, not better. I feel like it's my best day ever. सबसे अच्छा दिन. Yes, the best we can say here, only best because of the sentence formation. So 8.1, Rohini is a brilliant student. She solved the most difficult problems with ease. Rohini is a brilliant student. She solved the most difficult problem with ease. Understood? Yes. So these are the, you can say, exercise on the comparative and superlative degrees. We have to choose the correct degree, as I already told you, a kind of shortcut trick, or we can say a kind of rule also. Yes. Then exercise C is complete these sentences using as and as with the adjectives in the brackets. Okay, in the brackets, first two are given here. Yes, we have to put just as, and in between as and as we have to put the adjective. It is very simple. Here we are comparing two things. Okay, we are comparing two things, two objects. Here we can say two persons, okay, which are same. Okay, both are same, that's why. So the box is as heavy as the suitcase. मतलब बॉक्स और सुटकेस दोनों उतने ही हैवी है, मतलब जो उसमें हम कह सकते हैं कि जो वेट है वो उतना ही है जितना बॉक्स में है उतना ही सुटकेस में है. सो वी हैव टू पुट एज प्लस एडजेक्टिव प्लस एज. ओके, देन सेकंड वन इज मनोज इज ब्लैंक नेहा. सो यस, मनोज इज एज टायर्ड एज नेहा. टायर्ड का मतलब थका हुआ, तो मनोज भी उतना ही थका है जितना कि नेहा थकी है. ओके, बोथ आर दी सेम इन दी क्वालिटी. देन थर्ड वन इज यस, third one, the mango ice cream is blank the vanilla one. Okay, so the mango ice cream is as delicious as the vanilla one. मतलब vanilla और mango दोनों आइसक्रीम कैसे है, equally delicious है. Alice in Wonderland is blank the lion, the witch and the wardrobe. Okay, Alice in Wonderland is as interesting as the lion, the witch and the wardrobe. ओके, तो दोनों जो है वो इक्वली है. इंटरेस्टिंग मतलब जो दोनों है उनकी क्वालिटी है वो सेम है. फिफ्थ वन इज रमन इज ब्लैंक रोहित. यस, सो हियर रमन इज एज थीन एज रोहित, मतलब रोहित और रमन दोनों थीन है, सेम हम कह सकते हैं. द कंपेरिजन इज सेम. यस, कनकना वॉज ब्लैंक अ लार्क. सो यस, कनकना was as happy as a lark. Then seventh one, the wrestlers were blank lions. Yes, so here we have to use as adjective and as. The wrestlers were as strong as lions. Okay, जो wrestlers है वो कैसे किससे हम कह सकते कंपेयर किया है, लायन से, उतने ही वो स्ट्रॉन्ग है. नंबर 8, the cuckoo sings blank as the nightingale. सो यस, कुकू और नाइटिंगल दोनों एक जैसा गाते हैं स्वीटली. यस, द एडजेक्टिव इज स्वीटली. सो द कुकू सिंग्स एज स्वीटली एज द नाइटिंगल. ओके, सो दोनों जो है, दोनों के बीच में जो कंपैरिजन हुआ है गाने का वो कैसा है, सेम है. ओके, क्वालिटी. सो बोथ सिंग्स एज स्वीटली. ओके, एज दैट वी कैन से द कुकू सिंग्स एज स्वीटली एज द नाइटिंगल. यस, दिस आर द exercise on we have to use as adjective as, in which we have to compare two things, two objects or two ideas, okay, which are same. Yes, remember the word which are same. जब दोनों सेम हो तब हम as plus adjective plus as use करते हैं. These are all the examples of that one. Exercise D and exercise E both are oral practice, so we will not do that practice here only. Okay, so and we don't have to write anything about that D and E exercise. So students, yes, here we have to write up to A, B and C exercises in the we can say textbook itself. And this is all about our chapter number 7, degrees of comparison. Yes, go through with the session number 1, or we can say the video first one and the second one, okay, one by one, so you can understand all the terms, okay, in detail. Okay, all these 3 degrees in detail: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Yes, as I told you that you will be given a kind of PDF in which you will be given in that PDF the extra adjectives, okay, in which degrees of comparison will be there. A table will be there on the degrees of comparison. So you have to just go through that PDF and you have to learn all those adjectives properly. Yes, you have to learn those adjectives properly. Okay, that is for, you can say, extra practice for you. So here I will conclude the second session of the degrees of comparison. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.